Hi there, Doug Oosterhart here, founder of LifePoint Planning. Today's topic revolves around a topic that I picked up just from reading comments on financial articles and blogs that I read regularly, and it was about investing and people basically saying, oh, investing is just like gambling, have you ever lost $80,000 in a day or 100 grand in a month or what have you? And so I wanted to cover a topic that is starting with a question of, is investing really just educated gambling? Stay tuned. All right, so the first thing that I want to talk about is what we know both about gambling and about investing. So if we take gambling, we know that the house has an advantage every single time that a pair of dice is thrown or 21 is hit on the table, right? We know that the longer that people gamble and play gambling games, the chances of them losing all their money increase substantially to 100%. If someone literally just plays forever, eventually they will run out of money, and that's just math. Now, if we compare that to investing, I actually just did a blog post on this and looked at rolling returns in the market. All that means is that basically, if an investor has invested for any 15-year time period in the market, they've ended with a higher dollar amount than what they've started with. So this is the exact opposite of gambling. The longer that you invest, historically, the more money you've had. However, again, looking at gambling, the longer you gamble, the chances of it going to zero are almost 100%, if not 100%. So basically what I wanted to do is talk about this myth of investing, that gambling, and investing are similar when really they're the exact opposite. Now, don't get me wrong, if people are out there making boneheaded investments and not practicing sound investment principles and making speculative investments, sure, their investments can go to zero, and that's just a fact. However, what I try to help clients do is take a behavioral management approach of, hey, we're only going to utilize sound investments that have, had evidence-based results over time, so that we have the best chance of growth inside of the client's respective portfolio. So in summary, just comparing investing to gambling, we know that gambling, the longer that you do it, the more likely it is that the dollar value goes to zero. In contrast, investing, the exact opposite. The longer that someone invests, the more money they will have over time, and that's proven throughout the market's history. If you have any questions, feel free to send them my way via email, doug@lifepointplanning.com. Thanks.